Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom and pan using Camtasia 2019, a great software of TechSmith. So with Camtasia, you can apply zoom and pan effect very easy. So for example, you want to zoom in your face and then zoom out and pan to this phone. It is super easy. And go back to normal, right? Let's go to the software and I will show you how.
Firstly, let's import my example footage onto the timeline. I will use my short intro video as an example. With Camtasia, you can simply drag and drop your media files into the media library to import. It's similar to other video editors out there. Click and drag it onto the timeline to start editing. Let's me cut out unwanted part of my intro video first. OK. And here is the position I want to add zoom in effect, for example. At the main feature navigation toolbar, select Animation. This rectangular box is where you can select zoom and pan area on the screen. To zoom in a specific part on the screen, grab the edge of the box, resize it. Click and hold your left mouse cursor to move it around this area. Being noticed that Camtasia will now create an animation keyframe for the effect you've just added on the timeline. There is another fastest way to add a custom animation effect in Camtasia, without selecting the animation tab, is to use Shift, a keyboard shortcut, which you can find it in the Modify toolbar menu. All you need is to select the clip you want to add animation, move your playhead to the position you want to start the animation, then press Shift+A on your keyboard. Now you can click on the animation keyframe icon, and adjust the zoom and pan area like I've just done before. That's what I normally do when adding animation effect in Camtasia.
I'm going to show you how to zoom and pan using Camtasia 2019.
That's what I normally do when adding animation effect in Camtasia. You can also adjust the duration of the animation effect, or move the effect position along the timeline with this animation button. Once the animation button is selected, you can look at its properties pane on the right, where you can adjust the scale, opacity, rotation and position of the clip. There are a reset button on the right to delete the animation you added here. Or, you can delete all the effect by deleting the animation keyframe on the timeline. And here is the zoom and pan effect I created.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom and pan using Camtasia 2019, a great software of TechSmith. So with Camtasia, you can apply zoom and pan effect very easy. So for example, you want to zoom in your face and then zoom out and pan to this phone. It is super easy. And go back to normal, right? Let's go to the software and I will show you. What do you think about the tutorial? Is it easy to follow and clear enough? I hope so. If you like the tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any question, let me know too. So if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. By the way, if you want to purchase Camtasia, don't forget to use my discount coupon code I put in the description to save your money. It's 10% off for a single license. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.